Welcome to a quick Unity 3 overview. I'm Mike. Unity Intercom has 6 talk channels at the top in green and 6 listen channels in blue at the bottom. You're going to press the big yellow talk button to talk down an activated talk channel. You're going to double tap to enter Vox mode and latch open. Tap the green talk channels to activate them or deactivate them as needed. Same as the blue listen channels at the bottom. Tapping them will activate them or deactivate them as needed as well. Press and hold down any talk channel to talk down just that channel and solo talk it. Press and hold on a listen channel to make it a priority listen channel, thus making all the other channels duck when audio appears on that important prioritized channel. Press and hold again to remove that priority. Click on Settings or swipe right to enter the General Settings page. Click on Users or swipe left to enter the Users page. You can see all the users that are online, or you can direct talk a particular user and send them a private message. Tap the I circle to enter the channel legend, where you can have more details about a specific channel. Press the loudspeaker icon to send an all page, thus interrupting all communications to send like an announcement or something very important. Press the unlatch button in the lower right to close any latched open mics that are causing a problem. Press volume or simply swipe up to enter the audio settings and program feeds area. Here's where you can control your ducking levels, and you can also access your program feeds. Click on your program feed area and scroll through the available program feeds to select one. And finally, groups. Users who have been given access to multiple groups can click on the arrows on the left and the right to navigate and toggle between the various groups. A group is made up of 6 different channels, so each group has its own set of unique party line channels. Thanks for watching. Visit us online for more information.